Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Today's video, we are starting the Top Step Forex trading challenge on the $200,000 account. In order to get a little bit more info on the rules and everything like that, go ahead and click the link down in the description that says Top Step Forex, 20% off. If you are interested in doing this account with me and following along as I go, whether in the chat, Twitter, here, you do get 20% off on that account. So to get into it, I've taken 3 trades so far. Here, first off, I'm executing trades on MT4 Mobile because I like the interface. Charting on TradingView here. So I am going to be taking the approach of only trading one pair, which is USD JPY, so your US dollar to the yen, mostly because I just want to be able to learn the way that one of these things moves. I want to learn price action on it. It seems to be a good volatile pair as well, so there seems to be some decent money that you can make trading it. Trading the $200,000 account, I can trade 2 lots at once and more as my margin increases from gains. So the way I have it here, I basically track my trades with the lines. Entries are the green arrows. Dotted lines are closed positions. And yeah, let's just get into it. So here I have VWAP. This was basically the opening market session. I noticed here that I was looking at 107.8 as a potential entry, just across the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute. It looked like a good entry. I saw this upper wick here that I was really curious about getting in on the redip. So when we popped up, we came back down. I went ahead and got in on this candle. Took a little bit of drawdown, but really it started just erupting off of it. I just want to go ahead and say also my overall P&L high on the day was $1,100, which happened right here, and quickly diminished after that. So a couple things to note. I originally had this 108.6 marked as a take profit. I got greedy and wanted 109 just because I wanted to finish this account quickly. Obviously a big mistake because the 108.6 was the perfect rejection and short entry. So as you can see here, I added in on the dip, which was a good call. So then I had 2 positions riding up into the zone, which we quickly rejected pretty strongly, got stopped out on both of these positions. This was a trailing stop. This was an actual loss on the stop, which I wanted up here actually, but wasn't able to fix in time. So was down about $200 on the account from right here. Then I see us wick down, and I actually went long again at 107.8, the exact same entry, and basically bounced straight off of that. Right now we're holding this resistance on the 15-minute here, but my position is still open, still targeting 108.6, basically looking for the exact same move up to the upside. This was a 1-lot trade, and this is a 1.5 lot trade. So as of right now, my account is back to positive. I am currently, let me go ahead and just figure out how much money I'm at. Currently up $81 on the account. My trade is currently at $248. So I'm up $81 on the account. So current balance is $2,081 because this is 100x leverage trading. And that's basically where we're at. So I'll be doing these recaps here on YouTube. Again, if you're interested in Top Step Forex, what I'm looking to do is get a funded account to where I can trade their money. That's the whole point of this. But I'm tweeting out my positions real time within 30 seconds and putting them all in my Discord. Everything's linked below. If you enjoy this Top Step challenge with Forex, I am new to Forex. I am not experienced in it in the slightest, so this is a big learning experience and journey, which is kind of fun. Go ahead and smash that like down below and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.